A pleasant day, mabuhay ug madayaw gikan sa Dakbayan sa Davao. And of course, we are joined by the of course outgoing kay hapit na makoronahan. Yes, hapit na makoronahan ang iyang successor po. But let's have a one-on-one talk together with the reigning in Davao 2024, Rian Calza from Barangay Panakan. Mabuhay ug madayaw.
Mabuhay ug madayaw. Hello sa ato ang mga tigpaminaw ug tagatanaw sa videos sa ganinito sir.
Record kadang pan-digital.
Kadang pang digital, maayong adlaw kanatong tanan ug mabuhay ug madayaw gikan sa Davao City.
Yes, of course, I would like to make kumustahan naman because I know the past 11 months to be exact, medyo challenging on your part. So, how is the the feeling that you've been given full responsibility as one of the ambassadors of Davao City?
Actually, sir, as I've said earlier during the press con, it has been a meaningful whirlwind of experiences, no? Very worth it siya, though draining. Pero in the end of the day, pag makita ni mo yung mga works, yung mga advocacy-related na mga activities, makaingon ka na, okay, I've done my part. I've done my part as Reyna ng Davao, and I'm very grateful for the opportunity that was given to me, for the platform, and I'm beyond grateful sa City Government of Davao, pinaagi sa Davao City Tourism Operations Office na mooy nagdumala gid sa amo. Dagan kayong salamat.
What are your plans right now after your reign as the Reyna ng Davao?
Actually, earlier I just took my entrance I just took my entrance exam at ADU College of Law because I'm a graduating student of a bachelor's degree of AB Political Science at the Ateneo de Davao University. And what I plan to do right after I graduate is to proceed immediately sa law school para refresh pa ang train of thought, ang mind, o kanang napaka on the track pa ko.
Oo, sa may kinsa may dili nimo malimtan nga tao nga nakapa-inspire sa imuha during sa imuhang responsibilidad isip Reyna ng Davao?
It would be my brother. He has been very supportive ever since I screened last year to the moment I was crowned as Reyna ng Davao. No? So a huge shout out to my brother Rian Calza. He's been very supportive. It's like my manager na lang jud no kay siya jud nagahanay sa tanan, and without him I won't be here pod nagatindog sa inyo, nagawear ani na crowns. It's all because of him as well na nakoronahan ko si Reyna ng Davao. And if there's something that I cannot forget during my reign, it will be him.
Yeah. Na ba kay plano magsalmot o bang Miss International Queen?
Actually, sir, last week, nag-try ko screening sa Miss Mandirigma Philippines. It is also a national pageant for transgender women. And I'm waiting for the result na hopefully makuha ta.
Dulaon na nato ang usa ka short na because I have done this in the previous kay it's called one word cause I would like to describe you in one word na imong ma-describe from the people that I have in mind. Andam na ba ka?
Andam na.
Okay, so first and foremost, likely si the former Reyna Davaoeña 2023, Sheila Magpalid III.
Beautiful.
Si Dico Morano.
Purposeful.
Dumutya ng Davao 2025, Rebecca Gail Celis.
Amazing.
Si the first female plus size mutya ng Davao 2024, Hannah Mage Picho.
It's the same with Dico, purposeful, because they work in the city government of Davao. So I find them purposeful, and it's really amazing for them to juggle both of their mutya and Reyna related activities at the same time working on their personal schedules sa ilahang work sa city government.
Okay. Si Maria Isabel Pelayo.
Very genuine.
Si Hiya sa Kariawan 2024, Shane Marie Awe.
Jolly! I miss you so much, Iyas. Very jolly.
Yeah. Si Hiya sa Kariawan 2023, Christine Claire Tar.
Si Ate Tar, inspiration.
Last but far from least, of course, Tourism Operations Office OIC Jennifer Romero.
She's a family to me. Thank you so much, Ma'am Jen.
Okay. Naba kay mensahe nga to sa mga fans nimo as your reign is about to conclude?
Yeah, I would just like to thank all of my supporters no sa tanan ni suporta sa ako ever since nag-screening ko up until na mahumanay na ako ang Ray. Daghan kayong salamat o sa tanang mga Dabawenyos, daghang salamat na yung sa inyong gihatag nga higayon sa ako. Isipin nyo ang first ever Reyna ng Davao 2024.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Salamat kayo, sir.